Hi everyone, welcome to tonight's box break. We're gonna do things special today since we have two boxes that have an early break. We have an Ultimate box and a Decop box that are already sold out. So we're gonna do both breaks at the same time. I'll first show you eBay's official screen for time to prove that it's currently just a few minutes after 7 o'clock Montreal time, Tuesday, October 25th. So we'll start with the Ultimate box. I'll show you the serial number over here. So good luck to everyone. Okay, first card, this is for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Evgeny Malkin, base card, numbered of 399. Oops, just wait for the focus. Then we have Ultimate Rookies, Jeremy Morin for the Chicago Blackhawks. Oh, we have something good over here. This is a great debut Threads signed patch. This is numbered of 25. Marcus Johansson autograph. Beautiful patch, as you can see. Very, very nice card. So whoever paid for the Capitals has a great hit. And then we have Maxim Noro debut Threads jersey for the Minnesota Wild. So we'll do a quick recap of what we have in this box. Jeremy Morin for the Chicago Blackhawks, Ultimate Rookies. Then we have Evgeny Malkin base card, numbered of 399. Marcus Johansson, debut Threads signed patch. And lastly, we have Maxim Noro for the Minnesota Wild. So we'll go ahead and do the box break on the Decop box. Just move things a little bit, just to show you the serial number over here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box. Once again, good luck to everyone. Okay, so here we go. First card, it's a base card for the Toronto Maple Leaf, Tyler Bozak, numbered of 249. Second card, autograph rookie, Justin Falk for the Minnesota Wild. So beautiful autographed. Then we have Thomas Vokoun, signature patches for the Florida Panthers. Oh, we have something amazing here. Look at this, my friends. Maurice Richard, legendary cuts, numbered 6 out of 10. Incredible cards. Of course, we'll go to whoever paid for the Montreal Canadiens. I think this is the best hit we got so far. So, congratulations to whoever paid for the Montreal Canadiens spot. You're going to receive these beautiful cards. That's certainly worth a lot of money. Next card. Still have 2 to go. Milan Duke for the Colorado Avalanche, numbered of 25. So this is a gold parallel. And last card, what's this? This is a Brad Richards. This is a jersey card. I'm not familiar with this one. This is a game use hockey memorabilia. So this is numbered of 25. First we got this type of card. So beautiful, Brad Richards. But hey, let's review this box. Great box once again. Colorado Avalanche, Milan Duke. We also have this amazing Maurice Richard Legendary Cups numbered 6 out of 10. Thomas Vokoun for the Florida Panthers. Minnesota Wild, Justin Falk. Tyler Bozak for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And lastly, we have Brad Richards for the Dallas Stars. So thanks of all of you who participate in both box breaks. We're going to post right now 2 more boxes, one of each on Hockey Box Break. So go ahead and go buy your team spot. Thank you.